Hello everyone and welcome to another insightful session right here on this channel with me, Tete Teng. So today I'm going to show you how you can search for scholarships in Canada. Okay, so for some few days now we have been looking at how to search for scholarships and then funding opportunities in the USA. But today we will be diving into how to search for scholarships in Canada, specifically for master's programs. Okay, so specifically we will be looking at Canada today. If this is the first time you are watching any video via this channel, I am glad that you are here. I would encourage you to hit on the subscription button, like this video, and also hit on the post notifications so that as and when I release a new video, you would be notified. If you are a returning viewer, I know and I definitely know that you are going to find a scholarship that is worth applying for via this channel. Without wasting much time, let's jump straight into the video for today. Okay, so we are going to start from scratch using the Google search. Okay, so once you are here, once you open your Google browser and your Google search engine is ready, just type in CIGC.ca. okay, CIGC.ca. okay, this is the official Canada immigration website. Okay, so we type that in and then we open the page. Okay, so once you Google search CIGC.ca, it's going to bring you to this result platform. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is to just click on this one, sign into your IRCC secure account. Okay, don't necessarily have to have an account. We just need the platform from the government of Canada. This is the official website of Immigration and Citizenship of Canada. Okay, once you are here, you do not necessarily have to create an account. Okay, I just want to show you how you can search for scholarships using this official website. Okay, so once you are here, there is a menu at the left hand side of your screen. Okay, so just click on the menu. Once you click on the menu, I would need you to scroll down to money and finances. Okay, so scroll down to money and finances and click on it. Okay, once you click on it, it is going to give you a sub menu on your right side. Okay, so on your right side, you're going to see a sub menu of the money and finances section on the menu. Just come to education funding. Okay, so education funding, you just click on it. Once you click on education funding, it's going to bring you to services and information, where we have scholarships, we have student lines of credit, we have managing your budget as a student, student loans and bankruptcy, student aid and education planning, and then registered education savings plan. Okay, I would need you to click on scholarships. Okay, so now you click on scholarships. Once you click on scholarships, there are different scholarships that you can explore here. We have the Canada Graduate Scholarships, that is for masters. We have the Vania Canada Graduate Scholarships. We have the Banting Postdoctoral Fellowships. We have the Natural Sciences and Engineering Undergraduate Awards. This is for undergrads. We have the Natural Sciences and Engineering Postgraduate Awards. Okay, so there are different scholarships that you can explore from this page. However, most of these scholarships are for Canadians. Okay, most of these scholarships are for Canadians, but then you can still look through and find some for international students. Okay, so let's look at the one that pertains to international students or people that we consider as non-Canadians. Okay, but you can explore any of these scholarships available here. You can also look at the International Development Graduate Student Awards. Okay, you can look at that, but now let's focus on the international scholarships for non-Canadians. Okay, this is the main reason why we are here. International scholarships for non-Canadians. Okay, so then you just click on it. So once you click on it, it brings you to this page, International Scholarship Opportunities for Non-Canadians. So if you are looking for ways to fund your studies in Canada, explore our featured scholarship opportunities. Okay, so you can use the scholarship search tool to explore scholarships offered by Canadian governments, foreign governments, non-governmental organizations, and international organizations. Okay, so there are some featured scholarships here. You can always explore the featured scholarships that are here. As you can see, the Vania Canada Graduate Scholarships are here as well. If you could quite remember on the first page where we had access to different scholarships, and I made you know that most of the scholarships are for Canadians, we could find the Vania Canada graduate scholarships there. This means that this scholarship is also available for international students. Okay, so just explore the scholarships that you could apply to, just read about the objectives, and then you can come to a conclusion. Okay, so once you are here, we are going to use the scholarship search tool. Okay, so once you are here, just on your right hand side of the screen, you can see search for scholarships. Okay, so once you are here, just click on search for scholarships. Once you click on search for scholarships, this is where you get to tailor your search for the particular scholarship that you are looking for. Okay, so once you are here, you just select your citizenship. I am non-Canadian. Select your profile. I am a student or postdoctoral researcher, and then you select your country. Then I select Ghana. Once I select Ghana and I click on view scholarships, it's going to bring all the scholarships that are available for Ghanaian students here. Okay, so all these scholarships are available for Ghanaian students. So all I have to do is to just click on any of the scholarships. For instance, I'm studying in Canada scholarships. So applications are now closed. Applications would be opening later in the year. That is why it is written call for applications are closed. So you can always have the time to explore this page. Okay, so once you are here, you can look at the eligibility. Because I am Ghanaian, I am eligible for this scholarship, and then I can read about the value of the scholarship. The amount is written here, the eligible expenses, how the funding works, and everything. I can always explore that angle. Okay, so once you are here, you can explore the scholarships that are available to you. Okay, so for instance, I can change my country and write that I am from Nigeria. Okay, so once I say I'm from Nigeria, I can view the scholarships available for Nigerians. Okay, so a different set of scholarships can be found here. Okay, so once you are here, you can explore the scholarships that are available for Nigerians as well. So just always change the country and then look for the scholarship that pertains to you. And this is the official website of the Immigration and Citizenship Services of Canada, so you can know that all this information is authentic. Okay, so just go to your Google search bar, just type in cigc.ca and then Google search it. It takes you to the official web page of Immigration and Citizenship Services of Canada, and then you just go to the money and finances, the education section, and then you choose scholarships. Once you choose scholarships, just explore the scholarships there, or specifically move to the international scholarships for non-Canadians, and then you can explore this. Okay, I wish you all the best with any application that you are currently on. Just follow these steps and you can definitely find a scholarship in Canada. Okay, in subsequent videos we will be looking at some specific scholarships that you can apply to. Okay, I'll catch you on the flip side. Stay blessed, and I am out.